Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to download apps from App Store without Apple ID password. Guys, it is a very simple. Open App Store and search here any app you want to download. Snapchat here. Now guys, tap on download icon. You can see appear on the screen. Here must be password required for downloading any app of your App Store. It is a very simple. Now tap on cancel. Guys, go back. And guys, now open setting application, scroll down, and now here screen time. Now scroll down, content and privacy restriction. Now guys, iTunes and App Store, tap on it. Here you can see always required password has been selected. Now tap on don't required and go back and turn off content and privacy restriction. Now guys, go back and one setting available more than. Now tap on Apple ID, scroll down, media and purchases, password setting. Here make sure always requires password turn off. From here you can see appear on the screen. Now tap on done and go back, and guys open again App Store and search any app you want to download. Here Snapchat, and guys now tap on download. Here tap on it. Now you can see Snapchat app downloading without Apple ID password. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.